I am absolutely obsessed with the Anua Ceramide 3 Plus Panthenol Moisture Barrier Cream. This cream has been a game changer for my sensitive and dry skin. It strengthens the skin barrier, provides deep hydration, and soothes irritated skin. This cream strengthens the skin barrier with 3 types of ceramides. Also provides long-lasting hydration and prevents moisture loss. Soothes irritated skin with panthenol. Lightweight and non-greasy texture. Suitable for sensitive and dry skin. It has ceramides, strengthens the skin barrier, and locks in moisture. It contains panthenol provitamin B5, soothes irritation and promotes healing. While shea butter and squalane, boosts hydration without clogging pores. Apply an adequate amount to the face as the last step in your skincare routine. Gently spread and pat into the skin until absorbed. Use morning and night to continuously moisturize and soothe the skin. My experience. This cream feels like a comforting hug for my skin. It's lightweight, non-greasy, and absorbs quickly into the skin. I've noticed a significant improvement in my skin's hydration levels and a reduction in redness and irritation. This cream is a must-have for anyone with sensitive or dry skin. It's a powerful moisturizer that strengthens the skin barrier, soothes irritation, and provides long-lasting hydration. I highly recommend adding this cream to your skincare routine.